Hello and welcome. You're watching MBC Television. This is Abigail R. Carmeline bringing to the news antiphons from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KPS Memorial Secondary School Nongpenteng celebrates its 25th anniversary with glee. St. Mary's and JKMP School victorious in the inter-school basketball competition in Maukarwat. Yao Musyang receives Urban Health and Wellness Centre. And Meghalaya government announces compensation for water conservation. And now the news in detail. KPS Memorial Secondary School, Yao Mau Ma, Nongpenteng, West Khasi Hills District, marked a momentous occasion on Friday as it celebrated its 25th anniversary with a vibrant Silver Jubilee celebration within the school premises. The event was graced by notable personalities including MLA of Nongstoin constituency, Gabriel Wala, who attended as the chief guest, along with Marngar, additional SDSEO Nongstoin West Khasi Hills, and TP's MLA, the esteemed headmaster of the school. The commemoration was also attended by parents, teachers, students, school office bearers, village elders from Mauklam Nongpenteng, and other distinguished guests. During the event, the historical significance of the school was elucidated by RG's Imle, the Secretary Managing Committee of the school. Notable speakers for the day included MLA Gabriel Walang, Marngar and TP's Imle. The celebrations were further enriched by captivating performances from the students, encompassing a spectrum of cultural diversity with enthralling displays of traditional dance, Garo dance and captivating group performances.
Henry, kita kijing duna jugi kimdai bendubu akajingnya silenter akajingnya mengajugi. Nire balong hum kata kau berpeng, waktu lah peru tongi naya ipu sentiu kan akajingnya mengajugi. Nire badan katong berkaji persang banang terai kuno banang lah manang penbahas. Lara piaya kan ke sekolah kau ikabulting ke bakam he kena sakapan kanaro kampandian. Dan nata kan hom sakamadan ro kampandian. Nidon kampiang sakinu hikai kambon, la namar la kambon kinu ki kenaskon. Haga jengim bakal tiad. Nidom la ban ong nidom ki biang do. Hanrei ya ke ke jingduna. Gila ban penba. Leba ki jingmut ki jing berkat ki jomi. Kelada ngibu ki jingmut ki jing berkat jomi naka benta kum no ban penba. Ka skul kan ba, ka jing sam kan ba, ki kena skul kim kiu haga lentiya ki jomi. Para ba pipai haga lenti haga jingim breu ka jomi. Bonsin, ni klet ba ke jinang ngeding start kalau ke bokordor hadu kata-kata. Kiri ki start, balik ni ong ki start. Namar ba ki sim kor ya ke jinang ngeding start. Ki penbiang ya ke jing school ka joki. Ki pas ki kerdan ki baper. Bar ki kiu bar ki yo ki kam ki bahe. Dei hanta ba sana kiu ka imlang ka salang ka jomi. Tesim ya kene ka jingnang ni sat bakan long kum ka kabuk siar ban kentiu ya kalawei ke jogi kun par ki kun ba pinsim malo kalawei na kamta ka ye gesam habaki pai bunsen la dengiwan manai jingkran la deng nongkran bon na pedeng jongi yinum la ban snap la ningim la ban batlo ban yinum la ban peit ban snap kam slam la de la kran slam balaro la lenga ta henry kan shong ipi Nasutna bagi dan ki kena sekolah di Basyat. Hari hatu, ngi breu ngi im hada jing sutna. Balada bom sutna ngi sitong ban bat yaki. Marewan ki kena ban syat ni barok ni rak ki mobile, barok ni apet ki kmat ngi da sutna bagi au ka jing itna. Balada ye kapor ki dongkran ban ai jingmur ban ai mensim. Lasang ban thai no. Tapi jingim riu jungi, kamak ban long tang lagi jing sutunat bakim don, makan long dah kabawian tam.
Nilai usngau ya kene ka jing yai bet jong kene ke school, ka jing yai state jong kene ke school, hakaba jam na kawe ke kendon, sya kawe ke kendon, na kawe ke por, sya kawe ke por, bat mentah kala long kumbaka long mentah. Ngi penpau ke jing sungu, ya Isal MLA bar MBC jungi bangi ju khot e hangi ko bi bahe ibala kloi ban pelat ye ka por ban wan don lang rangkat ban ngi hangi mangau ne ko muwe na ki khunchnom jaga ne risnom ma phlam nong pending ngi laya tip ngi laya Shillong ya sa hang ne la kham slem adu mentak ngi penpau ke jing sungu ya kinong hikai ba I jongi kiba wat la ke jing siu kolong ke barit Henry kila syakri ya ikna school ha ke school ngi penpau ke jing sungu ya ki member jong ka sponsoring body jong ke school ya ki member jong ka managing committee jong ke school ya ki nohikai ngam nom la ban jer kerteng lot yaki lese ke nom baha ban jer kerteng tang yai we a ya phi ki kimi ki pa but kham tam ya phi ki khna school be jongi ke ba bandom da dei ke jing don ke jong phi lane ke jing don nadu ki khna school ki banang kong man shwa house name cheja khandai spa khandai pupra sisnem haswa ba manga une ngan wan tre hasip sing house nam khandai phundai ya ka ne ka school asdang da ka LP school kat kum bangi la yo snow mane na o headmaster jong na o secretary jong ne ka school bala pule ya ka history jong ne ka school but halor ka nong rim jong ka jing penhe pensan ya ki khna school ka sarkar ka bu ya pun kilak kelenti kumno ban bu ya ki nong train nadu na ka central government hadu ha ka state government hadu ha ka district hadu ha ka subdivision but hadu ha ki school lada ki department ha ki level bofer ki ladon lada ki nong train na ki level bofer nadu na Delhi hadu ha ka district ki don kunthop ya usar MLA but MDC jongi but madam joint director but madam DSEO but SDSEO bamenta kidon kadai na kabanta kacing temu ban penbit penbiang ya phi khna school ngisungu ya phi khna school ki banangkong kiba lalong katan rai jo gane ke school bagane adu menta bandum da ki khna ke nangbun le se ye ke school la hapan perkhat da kumui pa henry nama ki khna ke la nangbun ka result kala nangbha na ka por se ka por kumta ke ne ke school kala ya shefram bat kala poi hadu ke ne ke stage kumba kalong menta le se na ka leng jonga ngan nom kren sibun namar ba ngidon sibun ki kamba kerki ban hab ban wan pendep ha office hakaba ya kawe ke badai ban jubab CDC office lele nge haban perpoi mentagasngi ko gajing tha jeng madam SDC o menim te nga bu kane kawe hakmat jong phi kinoi kai bai bala kalong ka bae kumba philamat hadu menta ngi kerpat ya phi ba phinang yai tre sitom na ka benta ki khna school na kerpat ya phi ki kimi ki pa ki bala le sitom hadu mentamene bawat la hapudeng jong ki jing dup jing kerdu ki jing ban hap ban yeksai ban bela ban sengi ban dup yo ban pha school ye ki khun jong phi la ya yeksai hadu mentamene to nang ya yeksai shu na ka banta ki khun jong phi but to bodin ya ki jing krekot jongki nadu men step haswa bansa late school bansa wan school but hadu men janit enda ki khun jongpi ki khna school jongi shwa baken thia ki de ban krekot ki de ban pendep homework bat ban krebha nadu kabasdang jong kasnem mentakup ne kasnem kala jankut artat ngi kerpat ya phi ki kimi pa ba phenda le sitom ban ailat ya ki khun jong phi ki khna school jongi ba ken krekot khambha khanang ba ken pun kre ba ya ken ke exam ka ban salong sien ngi kerpat ya phi ki member jong ka sponsoring body bat jong ka managing committee ba phen nang ye tre sitom na ka banta ki ya be jong ka ne school but kham tam ye phi ki khna school bai ban phai sha ka jing kre kot ban duriap che jing kre kot jong phi nado dang step hado men sngi hado men janmit chua ban sathia no ba kumba don ka ktin ka boong lada ha ka por ba mangingi attend class hapo class maria dep attend ye ka class anda uno hikai lane ka no hikai klamino lane uno hikai mamino ana ka kamera class bandang iyo ka por ban kre hang tu hi angin dangla ban kan mau palat ya kas 90% na ka bangi sya hikai ha ka por ba lane ka no hikai idang hikai ha ka kamera class Henry ladangi ab hadu menjanmit bangin sa sedang ban revise angi layo malumalah ngendang sa kajingkan mau sa kumba 100% neduna.
On October 21st, the Basketball Hound Club Maukrwat concluded the highly anticipated Inter-School Basketball Competition 2023 at Nativity High Secondary School Basketball Court in Maukrwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District. M. Marngar graced the event as the esteemed chief guest alongside President Freddie Marwin, Secretary Wanskem Langlinkoy from the Basketball Hound Club Maukrwat and officials from the DSO Maukrwat office. The event witnessed a spirited atmosphere with teachers, students and enthusiastic spectators. In a riveting finale, the boys category saw Nativity High Secondary School and JKMP Secondary School engage in a thrilling contest, ultimately resulting in JKMP Secondary School's triumph with a commanding 53-32 scoreline. In the girls category, St. Mary's High Secondary School Rangla clashed with JNB Maukrwat, with St. Mary's High Secondary School Ranglang emerging as the victorious team with a resounding 18-16 win.
Now play well, both the teams. The game started. The ball is in Nativity.
Ada buah kecil. Yang dekat di wilayah saja. Pria. Oh, tapi yang parkour ya game. Sangat, satu poin dah. Harian. Kalau itu apa? Beta. Beta nomor 6. Morning. Tahu. Shoot, bisa. Oh, bisa kok. Bisa. Tompok kulit.
Hilang darah.
Kalian yang tabas kedahan ngasyem ya kanai kalat.
Habis video terada.
On October 20th, the Jawai MLA Wailat Miki Shillong presided over the inauguration of the Urban Health and Wellness Centre along with esteemed guests including Dr. K. Khar, Additional DMHO West Janta Hills District, Dr. M. Singkon, District Surveillance Officer, Dr. L. Purbot, Medical and Health Officer Yamusyang UHWC, along with local headmen and other dignitaries. During his speech, Wailat Miki emphasized the importance of community engagement, urging the Timpang Yamusyang community to collaborate closely with the centre to ensure the delivery of exemplary services to the people. He also announced plans for the inauguration of another centre in Tadu. Furthermore, he called upon the centre's employees to approach patients with a gentle demeanour, emphasizing that a warm and welcoming atmosphere can contribute to the recovery and well-being of those seeking assistance.
For Swaba and Ribbon, Kamganak, Wai, Penemburomi, Yakanika, Yamusyang Urban Health and Wellness Center, Ngayenyo, the Kipokribiang, Wa Ekanika Center, Uman Gojinkerku, Yakinong Chong Chong, Yonganika Chong, but Kamjole, Yavrohi, Q1, Mr. Mandubi, Q1, Yakajing Sumar, but Kamjole, Kamawan Gain, Yogi Sumar, Jing Sumar, Gometwopa, Yogi, Yakachakan, aging in Yogi. Ini por kamu Ribbon declare Yakanika Health and Wellness Center ko Emhini Yamusyang Dawaiga News. Officer Egubleo Yomaraki July Uma Peit Yaka National Health Mission for West Janta Hills District Yongi Egubleo Dr. Robot Wadau Nong Peit Nong Yo ini kurang chong ini ni tahu ejun sumar yakinong yaki patient ko dawan step man gawi e ko play cho ay gini riu ramba khamtam ya u ramba chnong yung yam siang wada yam lang ne ski ne ba o to man u em kam ma mo step man wi khamtam mo man go apo ka thau yo pi man go to ka ka thau yo pi hendai man go kam go yo pi le won le da kre pha go yo pi le da kre ma le pi the unity of em ke jing kre lang rangkat ne liang yo ke chnong ke jing lam yo pi dok ramba chnong rangkat ni no pai no yo po ni center khnang wa kan ni man go jing ku nung kong hi ya ki nong chong chnong yo pi pat kam jo le ya ki won ki em ka ni jing suma pat ik ble cho ya uma lasoki lakyang uman u chairman yo ke join municipal board ble board ya ke jing em lang rangkat staff yo ki ku dewan ni ni Ekulai cho yo ma abul kawa woman u ramba chnong yo kadar bar chnong mi mentru kamjo yo chairman chnong ya ki member yo dewan lang nega sni ekulai yo ya borok invites na chnong du chim kabu ya kani ke jing mentoy dewan nega sni senyaba ki wan temte mau ya chem ki doktor la ne na kapor wan cheni ya pan jimut la ne kam counseling ale ye pi wan ne ba senyau si yo ko state yang ni dang ni gi snem mo dang ni snem go lai to Meghalaya to man ko chikmat ha kham tam he jing to wa ka anika mother mortality rate mo bon ha ka jing lat yong man be pa kam jo le yong ikhna te unity de jing em yong pani ga wellness center he ni uyara ko chi bon ya man be pa kam jo la kam de ting ni ai ku le ya se chi sen yang sarkar wa ka jing elam yong chief minister an burom yong ide yo ikat ni non functional ya kan mother and child hospital ni panaliar le ko chisendon nge buliang chisendon mem yo ye le mentu andre unity da jing stangkat ni da chibun ga jing rapat unity kan wadang lai ko le yang yong sarkar dang ye perchang upun priam pento e de jing ka jadi bon nam kwa de punjrong e klam na nang cha ka thau ne ba ka to ha perdi ya perdi hat musnyau penwit pentut ye ki kan ilok bijor lan oi tadi te dauแต่ดุ้งหน่อยเป็นมันกับเขียนในเท้าแต่พูดดีตัดตุกันนี่เลยนี้แต่ตั้งนักชนมลำนุ่นคนโบนในผ่านต่อเชื่อว่าเป็นช่องนี้แต่ปานมาบินพีว่าโอยละทันเบี้ยงแต่ก็เท้าเผาหมกยันในตาในโปรแกรมเละเห็นเลยงานเสียวก็เป็นหรอเพียงเสียวพายผิวหรอกอยากจะมีกำลังอย่างที่เด็กสมีบัดเอกเบลเลยอยากสตาฟยองกันนี่กับเซ็นเตอร์คือว่าดาวแกรนโดมิสเตอร์สมีแต่นักเรียนยงงาฮิดับเดมินซีนุสเนียคอมเมนเอกเบลยอยากับ NHM เมฆาลายคือว่าดาฮักจิงกระปัดดาเอกีอยากเป็นกิจเซ็นเตอร์ให้จิงสเก็ตตัว MR ที่กิจเซ็นเตอร์คือว่าย่อยฮับปอให้นี่ฮับปอจวยกวีต่อกันนี้บัดสกวีก็ดาวไว้มิสเตอร์กวีต่อให้ตายฮับปอมิมตุแต่ดาวเล่นกวีสีแต่ให้จิงยกสังเกตตัว arti yoi baga yang musim waka mimpi te kamu de TVI to nagaliang yang sarkar kam tam gini giski berdet dan dulu yang jiwan yang chief minister dan rom yang i hapo district yang i hatu program bo launch itu CMLE o the stress how yang ini ki arta ke nangkong to health ko arto education dan tugas kita jadi yobi dia punya di program dia lailang wo sembilan lang wo ke civil hospital jadi dia hitai le EU strong direction bahwa lakat waman untuk civil hospital yang ke West Giant Hill district to man go well equipped but hejo ipol penbiang yang merok kijing emkam untuk de nagate ka hospital refer wani Shillong dan Shillong wani thau kate to direction good chief minister yai basnya men hadir ketugas ni wanu next day the one secretary yang ka health rangkat kecing lang yang ada da lai pai da pai jing emkam da ya kelami wa KMS yang civil da khana we jing emkam details dem nete da pa katu yo report yo chief minister yo ni dem nete all the EU assurance wa hapo ini benai da one pembiang untuk ye jing emkam kate to kam nagaliang sarkar yang i to da boy ke health to matdo henry ge ka bo jo yo wani hagini kiski bukan ni ka dia ka jumyo yang i to kat dan slam widen TV lan ni identify ye kate ka kujut kat dalam citom suma bon sin yoi kat bon nei daw bon biang i facilities lan ni duna ini ki sub center ini ki wellness center ki waman ki haki grassroots level ini to ada man baik ki grassroots ki wajan tam bo pai ba tene te daw yo ikan beduna bon sen ki plik ki bu hado o yo por yo lai chaga PSC le ne CSC le ne chi hospital ter yo ke kujut te tene te daw ka thong yo i wa to dukan harban henre rural le basnya men wa to hamadur le ne muslim daw yo i ya ke sanction wo chuna ya sub center chnong madur panagaliang yo nga government i dak chan wo identify la em cho ki chnong yo dang UM kami wan ra ya kini ki sub center ne ba ke thong yo nga jing kwa yo nga to pen biang ya kini ki em kam na do igrasu nang yo nai ujur ke ke jo ne ba la de yi iga usumar hetu ipor iwas dango bon we yi mo uyarap lene uyada patkam jole yarap ko chibon ya kitu kino kujut tene te daw ne liang yong i da thola di bat nga sia komen ne gesmi ya wada yo ai ya kanika Health and Wellness Center Heni Hapo Yamusia.
In a recent development, the government of Meghalaya has set a significant precedent by estimating a substantial sum of 15,000 rupees per hectare for residents dedicated to the preservation of vital water sources. The initiative, spearheaded by the Minister of Water Resources Department, Kamingwan Ambon, underscores the administration's commitment to safeguarding the region's water reservoirs. Expressing his disappointment at the detrimental practice of establishing residences near water resources, Minister Ambon emphasized the government's unwavering dedication to prioritizing the conservation of these crucial natural resources. He assured that the implementation of any development projects would be undertaken with meticulous planning, ensuring minimal impact on the integrity and sustainability of the water resources.
You see, even the government also, we have the scheme to protect all the catchment area of the water bodies. We have the scheme around 15,000 per hectare. We can keep to the people to protect the forest, to protect everything in the catchment area. The step the government has already, I have already replied, no, we have the scheme, 15,000 per hectare to keep to the people of the state to protect the catchment. That is the step, the first step we taken from the government. I think now everybody, they know this, what do you call it? This High Court also they issue order time to time, even in the surrounding of the dam site also. So many construction is coming up. Then the people, they're trying to construct maybe to respond and all, but they affect the water bodies like Umyam. Then even the, what do you call this? Wamkra also. Wamkra also, so many people that encroach Wamkra. Why is this Wamkra is sometimes we get a flood? Because the people that encroach the water bodies, no? We trying this year also. We trying to submit a scheme to protect this Wamkra. At the same time, we want to clean the Wamkra river. But unfortunately, the central government they didn't sanction that scheme. We proposed around 600 crores something. As of now, as by my knowledge, I am trying to contact these people from the ministry. They didn't sanction that scheme. As me, we don't have this much of money because Meghalaya is a small state. No, 600 crores is a big amount. If we did get a sanction, how can we clean it? You know, the state government, we don't have so much money we have in the state. It's difficult for us to bear from the state government to clean all these type of things. Yes, sure. I'm trying to, if I continue 5 years, then I'll continue to pursue all this. As of now, we don't have any idea regarding this one. I'll ask officer to check and I will examine that. What is the problem regarding that?
On the 20th of October 2023, the Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF East Khasi Hills Shillong successfully apprehended 3 alleged drug traffickers near Law College, Dhankiti, Shillong. The suspects were identified as Shri Marvin Smajal, 43 years of age, from Maulai Normally Block 3, Shillong; Shri Piralang Khar, 42 years of age, from Maulai Normally Block 3, Shillong; and Shri Imti Shilla, 47 years of age, from Khal Malki behind Law College, Shillong. The authorities recovered and seized 2 soap cases containing heroin with a total weight of 23.95 grams, cash amounting to ₹44,500, a brand new silver-colored Hyundai Venue vehicle and 3 mobile phones. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.